I'll see. You're right, that a ton of traction.
Yeah.
I wonder how the hell did I do that?
Would you rip it?
No. How's that possible? Wait. Okay. That man, that threw me off there. You don't trust it?
That looks soft.
Let me guess.
I mean, you can get back up that. I mean, I don't think you're making that. I was gonna turn around and hit that quick.
Woohoo! I thought I saw you make it.
I did.
Oh.
I didn't see her.
Oh.
I thought you went that way.
No, I was gonna come and follow you after I saw you make it. Nah, that's probably my fault too. Hey, what gear were you in?
Second.
Second, okay. That's pretty good video, you coming right at me.
Shit.
I was like, shit.
I like kept trying to steer right, and I'm like, please go right, please go right.
It's funny, like, hopefully it doesn't come down that way. And sure enough, like, boom, there you are. Yeah. Oh, you probably can walk it up from here. Yeah, I'll get under here. Oh shit. Ready, go. Turn my back. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, I gotta turn my back as soon as he starts going.
Mike, pop that clutch a little when you get up to there.
Top of the world. Walmart Hill.
Is that what this is called?
Yeah.
There's some jump. I didn't know that's what this was called. They built some jumps up here
Oh yeah?
with rubber tires.
Is that where it is? I've never seen that post somewhere.
Yeah. I'm gonna go tell Ben.
Okay. I think you made it. which one did you hit? That one.
There.
This is pretty loose. Oh, you scared me.
What were you doing over there?
I fell down in there.
Hey, you scared me. I was like, whoa. Startled me. Nope.
Not getting in the power van.
Jamie, look at that edge. She doesn't like when I get close to the edges. Do. Hey, Brandon. Oh, he might be ripping somewhere.
He's about to be a proud owner for 2024.
Oh, yeah?
You gonna trade him that?
Did you make it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Dude, the same thing with the fucking incline. Ask him. He was there.
Yeah, he was telling me up there. That was so bad. Hit the same rock I hit the first time.
I saw that.
Wow. Jeez.
I think he made it up on it.
He said he's about to trade him, about to trade you up on it. That's the worst part right there, by the way. If you didn't get past that, you're golden.
You gotta get this up there.
You want me to get it? Yeah, I can. Yeah, no problem. Turn that off just in case it falls over. Won't be bad if this stuff wasn't so loose.
I'm beat.
I haven't been on a 4-stroke in a while. Which one start? This one?
Yeah. It might be like second.
Okay. Hi. I don't know if Mike made it. They're trying to get back up.
Felt like a little bit of a hard endurance situation.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Tight boulders.
Yeah, it wasn't great.
I should have stayed up there when I got there twice.
Yeah, like after that little spot, it's not too bad. Even I should have treated it like a hill climb and just full throttle. All right. If you want to follow me, the last little bit's pretty easy.
We hit the limit for the day.
Yeah, I'm pretty beat.
Huh?
I'm pretty beat.
I just moved all this week, so. Thank you.
Yep, you bet. Cool.